In the journey of life, married couples are like partners. They share their success, progress, and prosperity. To achieve success, they have to join hands together. To value this relationship, SBI has launched a product called Smart Humsafar. Humsafar is an Urdu word that means companion or a life partner in English. Will this plan prove to be a lifelong companion for you and your better half? In this video, we can discuss this plan in detail. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life Smart Humsafar is an individual non-linked participating life insurance savings product. In this video, let us look at the features, death benefit, maturity benefit, advantages and disadvantages of this plan. Also, we shall compute the IRR and compare it with other investments. First, let us look at the features of SBI Life Smart Humsafar. It is a joint life insurance policy covering you and your spouse under a single policy. Guaranteed minimum bonus for first 3 years of 2.5% of basic sum assured. Premium waiver benefit is in case of death of any one of life assured is available. Additional rider benefit can be added at an affordable cost. The plan pays a maturity amount on the survival of one or both the lives assured at the end of the policy term. Next, we shall look at the benefits we get from SBI Life Smart Humsafar. Maturity benefit. If either one or both of the life assured survive till maturity, then basic sum assured plus vested simple revisionary bonuses plus terminal bonus, if any, will be given to the policyholder provided the policy is in force. Next, death benefit. First death. If your policy is in force as of the date of first death, higher of A or B is paid to the surviving life assured. A, sum assured on death. Here, sum assured on death is higher of basic sum assured or 10 times of annualized premium. B, 105% of total premiums received up to the date of death under the base policy. Additionally, all future premiums starting from the next policy anniversary will be waived off for the surviving life assured. Second death. If your policy is in force as of the date of second death, higher of A or B is paid to the nominee. Sum assured on death plus vested simple revisionary bonuses plus terminal bonus if any. Here sum assured on death is higher of basic sum assured or 10 times of annualized premium. B, 105% of total premiums received up to the date of death under the base policy. Next, bonus. Simple revisionary bonus rate for the first 3 policy years is guaranteed to be at least 2.5% of the basic sum assured. A terminal bonus may also be declared and paid at maturity or earlier death or surrender. Next, we shall analyze the advantages and disadvantages of SBI Life Smart Humsafar. Advantages. On the first death of the joint life, the death benefit is paid and future premiums will be waived. At maturity or on the second death, apart from maturity benefit or death benefit, you will receive a simple revisionary bonus and terminal bonus. Loans can be availed to a maximum of 90% of the surrender value. Discount on the premium is available for higher sum assured. Disadvantages. The bonuses are guaranteed only for the first 3 years. As this is a participating policy, the maturity benefit is not guaranteed. For a long-term investment, the potential return is low and as a result, it affects your financial goals. This is an insurance cum investment product. So far, the discussion is about only the basic details. To determine whether this policy suits you or not, you need to analyze the investment part of this policy. For this, let us analyze the benefit illustration taken from the SBI portal. This is a joint life policy. We can assume that a 35-year-old male and his spouse 30 years old have taken the SBI Life Smart Humsafar policy for a sum assured of Rs 10 lakh. The annual premium is 73,410 and the premium paying term and the policy term is 15 years. At the end of the policy term, that is 15 years, they receive the maturity benefit including the bonuses. Here the bonus rates are assumed as 4% per annum and 8% per annum. It is assumed constant during the bonus accrual period, whereas the actual bonus could vary depending on the future investment performance. At maturity, you will receive 12.93 lakhs if the bonus rate is 4%, or else you will receive 16.03 lakhs if the bonus rate is 8% throughout the policy term. The IRR is 1.98% under 4% scenario. This rate is below a savings bank interest rate. The IRR is 4.57% under 8% scenario. This is also far below than bank FD rate. For a long-term investment, the return should be higher than the inflation rate so that you can achieve your financial goals. Since the investment rate is poor here, if you invest in SBI Life Smart Humsafar, you may fall short of funds when the goal is due. We can analyze the other investment return by investing the same premium amount as in the earlier illustration. SBI Life Smart Humsafar is an insurance cum investment product. That too, it has a joint life cover option. To meet this, we can take a life cover for both individuals for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs each. It would cost a premium of rupees 9,100, that is 5,000 for male and 4,500 for female. Out of 73,410, first insurance premium is paid and the balance amount of 64,310 could be utilized for investment. For comparison purposes, all the metrics are assumed similar to the benefit illustration. For investment, you can choose either debt or equity based on your risk profile. Here we have chosen PPF for debt and ELSS for equity. In the above illustration, the IRR of term insurance plus PPF is calculated at 5.56% and the IRR of term insurance plus ELSS is at 9.81%. At the end of 15 years under PPF, you get a maturity benefit of 17.44 lakhs. Under ELSS, you get a maturity benefit of 25.23 lakhs. This is post-tax value. ELSS are subject to capital gains tax at the time of redemption. The tax calculation is given here. There is a wide gap between SBI Life Smart Humsafar return and the return we get in the above alternate investment. Do not select an investment blindly. Look for the potential risk and return from the product. Final verdict on SBI Life Humsafar. It is a joint life insurance, provides savings and life insurance option. As the name suggests, Humsafar, the plan is designed to cater to the needs of couples and thereby try to meet the goals of the family. Since it is a joint life cover with a premium waiver benefit on the first death, a major portion of annual premium is utilized for joint life cover and a premium waiver rider. The rest is utilized for investment. SBI Life Smart Humsafar is not worth to be added in your investment basket as the investment return is not satisfactory. SBI Life Smart Humsafar offers a low sum assured when compared to pure term policies. Please be careful when insurance agents try to force you into this plan. They get higher agent commission for this plan like many policies in the bazaar. It is advisable to prudently calculate the required life cover for yourself and your spouse if required. And then buy a term plan. This will protect your investment plan from turmoil. Select investments based on your personal goals, risk appetite, and time horizon. Build a diversified investment portfolio that will help you in achieving all your life goals. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.